Okay, we're gonna have a burping contest.
Yippee!
Oh, awesome like that. Okay, ready? I'll go first for you. You're done. You won that contest. Okay, Mike, you go. You win again, okay? Okay. You won. Okay. Well, you guys can comment who won. Oh my God! Stop laughing to us.